Hello friends, we are going to talk regarding project report preparation. Before understanding how to prepare a project report, just understand first what is meant by project report. It is a document which provides details the overall picture of proposed business. It means which business you are going to start in the future. It is a pre-planned in the present. It is considered as a blueprint of proposed operations. So why it is prepared? It is prepared for submission to the financial institute for the grant of land and other financial concerns. It means directly you can be, after preparation of your project, you can be send it for the granting the financial aids. So who will be prepare that project? So it is prepared by an expert, most probably by an authorized CA. How he may be prepared? After detailed study and analysis of the various aspects of a project. So the project preparation or the project is gives an idea to the entrepreneur about that whether the project is sound on various aspects, that is on the technical ground, on the commercial aspect, how it will be the financial good or not, and on the economic parameters. So this is all about the project report. So now come to the next point, that is what are the various contents required into the project report. The very first content is objectives and scope of the project. It means before preparing your project you must be very much clear about your object and what may be the scope. It means what are the probabilities in the future you have to mention in the project report. Second, the product characteristics. It includes the specification of product, the use of product, how to use or how long it may be useful to the society overall. Then how to apply that product, that is the application of product. Then standard and quality. Obviously without standard and quality no one can be stand into the market. That's why the standard and quality is very much required and important in the mentioning into the project report. Next point is market position and trends. It means the position in the market of your project. So it includes the installed capacity. It means what is the capacity of your project. Then production, how you are going to make the production. Then anticipated demand. After starting your business, how much the demand will become, you are supposed to anticipate in the advance. What are the export prospects for your product, one has to mention. Then the information on import and export. Obviously import some maybe information, some raw material or some regarding all the things, machinery, plant and technical aspect, anything you can be import and you can export your product. Okay, that details one has to mention into the project. Plus price structure, your product price structure is mentioned, and structure and trend. Then what may be the trend regarding your product. Next point should be mentioned into the project report is raw materials. Raw materials means requirements of raw material, which kind of raw material you required for starting your concern, plus its price. What may be the price you may be get your raw material. Obviously suppose if your raw material is in indigenous or it may be available at your local place, then what may be the price. Or if it is not near to your place, if you are carrying out somewhere else, what may be the price to you. Then the source, it means by which source the raw material may be supply. And the properties of raw material. Properties of raw material includes the quality of the raw material. If the raw material is producing minimum loss, that is normal loss, then obviously it is acceptable. If it is producing a normal loss, it is not acceptable. So these things should be mentioned under the raw materials. Next is manufacturing. One has to mention the process of manufacturing. The process might be it is a part of production, but it includes the process includes that either it is a manual process, technical process, machinery process or chemical process. So many things are comes under the process that should be mentioned. Selection of process. Under These varieties of process, which process you are going to select. Then the production schedule and technique. Production schedule, that is within the 1 month, 1 year, and likewise what is your schedule should be, and which techniques one has to going use for the manufacturing that product. This should be mentioned under the manufacturing. Then the point comes that plant and machinery. Without plant and machinery, organization cannot be run out. So under the plant and machinery, equipments and machineries, instruments, laboratories, equipments, electrical load, water supply, and essential infrastructure is required. So essential infrastructure includes, if anything you are going to produce, suppose under the service industries you are providing the service, called it as hospitality, it requires building, the ambience, the furniture, and so many things are required. So that infrastructure should be required and it should be mentioned into the project report. Next is land and building. How much land is required, that requirement of land, it should be mentioned. The building, under the building layout should be mentioned, and construction schedule also should be mentioned. Next point into the project report preparation should be financial implications. It means how the finance are required and how you are going to utilize, which kind of finance are required. It further divided into the fixed and working capital. Then investment. Then project cost and profitability. All calculations should be made into the project report. Next, okay, all things you done, when your product come into the existence, there should be need to show the market. So for that purpose, there should be mentioned into the project report the marketing channels, that is intermediaries. So trading practices and marketing strategies. How you are going to distribute your product, which channel you are going to select, which marketing strategies you are going to adopt. These things also mentioned into the project report. Next, personnel. Obviously, this is the undivided part of any organization or every organization. Without human resource, nothing can be happen. So, under the personnel point, staff requirements. How much staffs are required? Then labor and expenses on wage payment. So, how much labor is required? How much expenses you are going to pay on to the wages. These requirements should be mentioned under the personnel factors. So what is the project report? It is an important as highlight it's the profitability of it in the terms of economy, finance, technology, and social distribution. So this is all about the project report preparation. One can be made the project in the such type. Thank you.